back in an easterly direction to the next stop off. But we'll do a little bit more drone flying. Be much better than this for flying the old drone. If it was a little bit less breezy, the battery would last a bit longer, but it was fine on that little stretch I've just done around freshwater. There's a little car park just along the cliff here on the left, where I'm going to stop next. Do a little bit more drone flying. Make sure I don't whiz past the old car park. Looking towards Compton Farm. Everything you can see is basically owned by the National Trust. Down car park. Hopefully I'll remember to confirm or refute that when I edit this video together. Little National Trust car park, I believe. Let's cross over this road without getting squashed. An ever-present hazard along the military road. There is Compton Farm down there, Compton Bay just in the distance. Going to go west again. Just along here a little way, find somewhere to put the drone up. Bit breezier here. Don't think it'll be too windy for the drone. What I want to do here though is get a little view of where the road is falling away, or not the road, but the cliff right next to the road is beginning to fall away. Really should do this more often. I think you'll probably agree. Really is breezy. Right, let us go from here, I think. Find a nice flat spot. What I need is a landing pad for this drone, so that wherever I am there's always a little area clear of vegetation that I can land it on and take it off from, of course. What I might do is go down slope a little bit. So I'm out of the view of the cars when I'm taking off, because I don't want anyone distracted. So go down this way. This looks as good a spot as any to launch her from, doesn't it? So let's get her back out. Oh, I love this drone. It's the Mini Pro 4. So easy to unpack and deploy. It says fumbling turning it on. Alright, put my stuff back in case I need to walk up a bit, which I probably will do. Then connect my iPhone Mini 13 to the controller. I'm hoping to be able to invest in the better version of the controller that has a screen built into it, so I don't have to keep connecting my phone, but for now this does the job. On she goes. Is she going to connect first time? DJI app. Go fly. Turn the recording on. you.